الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه ما بعد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في القرآن الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون صدق الله مولانا العظيم. I am greatly honored to be here today by the invitation of BAPA, Bangladeshi American Muslim Association. I would like to thank all my brothers to invite me here to share some of my words with you people. Time is very short. I would like to read one prophetic sayings with you which gonna give us conceptual clarity on so many subjects we will be able to understand. My dear brothers and sisters, month of Ramadan, month of spiritual healing. This is a moral school. We human beings, we are combination of two things, physical as well as spiritual. Our physical dimension means food, proteins, vitamins, calories.
Hey, how are you?
At the same
I see.
time,
How are you? How are you? Good.
our spiritual dimension as well needs food, proteins,
সাউন্ড বাড়িয়ে দিতে কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না
If you deprive, if we do not give food to our spiritual dimension, what will happen in the world? You will have affluence. You will have beautiful house, expensive car, expensive bed, but you cannot sleep. If spiritual side, spiritual dimension is weak, if spiritual dimension is poor, then we will not be able to create a good environment, a healthy environment inside the house. We know the reality, the time that we are living in. Very few houses you will find. Inside the house you will have a good environment. Very few houses. Our beds are so expensive.
সাউন্ডটা বাড়িয়ে দিতে পিছন থেকে কিছু শুনতেছি না সাউন্ডটাকে
In this Brazilian time,
ওই লোকটাকে বলো
we give
পিছনে বসে
so
আছে।
many emphasizes on the physical dimension. Our parents even, we spend all our time to educate our children, but we don't know the meaning of education. We are trying to make our children a good manager. Rather a good
প্রেস ওনাকে
manager.
নিয়ে আসেন এখানে যেহেতু আশা করে চলে গেছে
Ramadan, that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, time is very short. Let me share with you one very important hadith. Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Allah commands justice.
ক্যাপ্টেন এই রিসিটের ওভার দেয়ার
Grace,
Yes,
as
please.
well
Does
as
that have to duty? And if I gotta run out, no.
This okay, yeah. That's fine, please.
He forbids
Okay.
indecency, wickedness, and
over there.
aggression. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala
Please come.
commands us for 3 things and He forbids us from 3 things. He commands us for justice, grace, and generosity. Justice. What is justice? To make fairness, to make a balance. Until I establish justice, until I establish fairness with my Lord, sir. Speaker down and
স্পিকার ডাউন হয় ওরা বলছে সে বুঝেই না ডেস্ক ক্যাপ্টেনের খাবারটা নিয়ে দাও একটা
Captain, come on. Oh,
হ্যাঁ
was he a captain?
এই আমার মাইক্রোফোন আমার মাইক্রোফোন নাও আমি দিতেছি ব্রো টেক দ্য মাইক্রোফোন ব্রো টেক দ্য মাইক্রোফোন কি আছে ভালো আছো ভালো আছেন ভাই লাইভ করো